Well, this coalition to stop this merger is made up of several mayors and lawmakers in this affected area speaking out today, raising concerns about train derailments across the country. 6 of them this month alone, including the one in East Palestine, Ohio. And they are worried if this merger goes through with increased freight traffic, we could face a similar disaster in our area.
And after this derailment we saw in Ohio, we saw the giant plumes of toxic cancer-causing gas that went across residential neighborhoods. Our constituents need our voices now more than ever.
State representatives and mayors speaking out about the upcoming vote to approve a $31 billion merger between Canadian Pacific and Kansas City Southern, creating the largest freight company running from Canada to Mexico through the U.S.
Tragedy in Palestine is real. It does happen. And if it had happened here in Itasca, our first responders would not have been able to get to the people on the other side of the tracks for 15 or 20 minutes. That's the reality.
The merger would impact 54 crossings on 20 miles of Metra's Milwaukee District West line, running from Bensonville to Elgin. Officials say this would add 8 new 10,000-foot freight trains each day on the line, more than tripling the current amount. Metra is also against the merger, saying it could cause delays for its passengers.
The federal government cannot continue to turn a blind eye to real deadly consequences of quadrupling freight traffic on the commuter lines.
The Surface Transportation Board, an independent federal regulatory agency staffed with approving or rejecting the merger, has held public comment sessions and reviewed an environmental analysis study, which showed any impact would be minor and temporary. Canadian Pacific says the merger would free up 64,000 semi-trucks on U.S. roadways each year, with more goods being shipped by train, decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. But those who live and work along this rail line are worried about their quality of life.
I'm not feeling my community is safe.
It's okay to have commerce, but it should not come at the expense of our residents.
We did reach out to Canadian Pacific today. A spokesperson said railways are legally required to transport hazardous materials as part of their common carrier obligations, but do so in accordance to all safety and environmental protection laws. CP says it has led the industry with the lowest train accident rate in North America for 17 years and works with first responders on how to respond to potential emergencies. Now, we don't know exactly when this vote is set to happen, but we do know that U.S. Senators Tammy Duckworth and Dick Durbin, they both recently last week sent letters to this STB board asking them and urging them to delay this vote and take into account transporting hazardous materials here through our area, just what the risks are and how that could impact people who live in this area.
Yeah, we'll see where it goes.
All right.
Dana, thanks so much.